If I was given 1 hour to save the planet, I'd spend 59 minutes in defining the problem and 1 minute in resolving it, said Albert Einstein. These are wise words and yet not often followed in business. In fact, whether we're speaking about products, processes, or entire business ventures, I find that most organizations are not spending enough time in defining the problems they're trying to solve, nor in articulating why these issues are important. The result is that we may miss opportunities, waste resources, or end up following initiatives that are not aligned with our strategy. Many organizations need to start asking the right questions so that they can tackle the right problems. There seems to be this misguided belief that the sooner a project gets started, the sooner it will be finished. So teams speed up to the solution phase without spending enough time in defining the problem, because they might fear that they'll be penalized for spending too much time on the problem and not getting to the start line quick enough. The irony is that by taking this approach, it's more likely to waste time and money, reduce the odds of success, than a project where more time is spent at understanding the problem and the impact for the organization. There are 4 important steps to defining the right problem to tackle. The first step is defining the need for a solution. So you can use a very simple formula. We are looking for A in order to achieve B as measured by C. And in this way, you're covering the important points of what is the basic need, what is the desired outcome, who stands to benefit and why. Step number 2 is to justify the need. Why should your organization even attempt to solve this problem? Are the efforts in line with your business strategy? Does this problem fit with your business priorities? What are the possible benefits and how will we measure them? And how will we ensure that the proper solutions are in fact implemented? Step number 3 is to contextualize the problem. What have we tried before? What have others tried before? What are some of the internal or external constraints that we could face when implementing any solution? Are we sure that we have the right support for soliciting various solutions and evaluating a few good ones? And are we sure that we will have access to the money and the people needed to implement the best possible fit solution? Step number 4 is to write a problem statement that will encapsulate the information of the previous steps and allow you to get consensus on what a good solution would look like and the resources required to achieve it. So, is the problem, or is it in fact a collection of many other problems? What requirements would a solution need to meet? And who are the problem solvers that we would need to engage? Businesses who use these simple concepts will develop the skills and ability to ask better questions. They'll define their problems in a way that brings strategic advantage, that develops true innovation and drives better business performance. There's no doubt about it. Asking better questions brings you better results.